Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the dynamic world of mobile marketing on Facebook. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with strategies to reach and engage your mobile audience effectively. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the importance of mobile-friendly content. With a significant portion of Facebook users accessing the platform through mobile devices, optimizing your content for mobile is not just a choice. It's a necessity. Let's explore why and how to create mobile-friendly content. Here in the content creation section, we can ensure our visuals and copy are optimized for mobile viewing. I'll guide you through best practices for creating content that captures attention, loads quickly, and provides a seamless experience on mobile devices. Let's explore mobile ad formats and best practices. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats specifically designed for mobile phones, each with its unique strengths. Here in Ads Manager, we can choose mobile optimized ad formats such as carousel ads or instant experiences. I'll guide you through the process of creating visually appealing and engaging mobile ads that align with your campaign goals. With mobile marketing, it's not just about the content and ads, it's about reaching mobile users where they are. Let's explore strategies to effectively reach and engage your mobile audience on Facebook. Here in the targeting section, we can refine our audience to specifically target mobile users, from selecting mobile placements to optimizing ad delivery for mobile devices. And there you have it, the world of mobile marketing on Facebook unlocked. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.